Welcome back, students. This is the unit number 4, cam and follower. We are discussing from the last few classes of theory of machine 2. We have seen two cases of the flat face follower having contact with the circular flank and nodes, and we have seen displacement, velocity, and acceleration for both the cases. Okay, so this you have to remember. This formula is you have to write down somewhere in the notebook, and this you have to remember. Generally, numerical asks, not many times it was asked in the exam, but sometimes there are chances that numerical may come on this. But definitely there is a one problem on drawing the cam profile for any motion. So we will draw or we will solve on the board that cam profile, how to draw cam profile for various follower motion, that we will discuss on the board, and I will show you how to draw it. And similarly you have to also draw. Okay, so definitely we will take that all four cases problem. Now here we will discuss about this numerical on this flat face follower or circular arc cam follower. Circular arc cam with flat face follower. Okay, so we will discuss this. So now write down the numerical. The circular arc cam drives a flat face follower. The base circle radius is 40 mm and nose radius is 10 mm. If the total angle of action is 120 degree and the total lift of the follower is 20 mm, find number 1 maximum velocity and acceleration, and number 2 maximum retardation of the follower when the cam rotates at 600 rpm. So when it is having contact with the nose, there is a retardation we have seen. So numerical is given. So I already told you, students, read the numerical 2 times and write down the given data and understand what is asked. And accordingly, we have to solve step by step. So here, after reading this numerical, we are observing that here a circular arc cam is there and having flat face follower. The base circle radius is given, that is RB is 40 mm. Nose radius is also given, that is RN is 10 mm. And if here total angle it is mentioned is 120 degrees, so total angle it is given. So semicone angle is 2 alpha equal to 120 degrees, therefore alpha is equal to 60 degrees. This you have to be careful. So alpha is 60 degrees. Now here lift of the follower is given, that is equal to 20 mm. And for retardation case it is given as when cam rotates at 600 rpm, that is n is 600 rpm. So n is given, so we can write omega to 2 pi n upon 60. So here omega is 62.83 radian per second. Check this. They ask maximum velocity, maximum acceleration, and maximum retardation. So here flat face follower has contact with the circular flank. So we have seen this. Okay. So let us say here OQ is R, OK is Rn, and P is PF. P equal to, let us say it is PF. We have to go back for the previous figure, and it is RF. So total lift it is mentioned. So it is 20. So R plus Rn minus Rv. R plus Rn minus Rv. So Rn is 10, Rv is 40. So we will get R is 50. This angle is alpha, this angle is beta. Alpha is whatever we have just calculated 60 degree. So it is 180 minus 60 beta. So here in triangle, consider triangle PQR. So P, Q and R. Here consider triangle. Sorry, POQ, not PQR. POQ, POQ. So PQ square equal to OP square plus OQ square minus twice OQ cos beta. So this equation we have seen in the geometry we have studied at that time of mathematics. So PQ square equal to OP square plus OQ square minus twice OQ cos beta. So PQ is nothing but RF minus RN. So it is RF minus RN bracket square. OP is RF minus RB. So it is RF minus RB bracket square. OQ is R. So R square minus twice again OP RF minus RB into OQ, that is R cos of beta is 180 minus alpha. Alpha is 60 degree we have calculated. Just putting the value of RN, RB, R. Here RF we don't know, so we have to calculate RF. So after solving this, so solve students at your end or maybe in the calci. So we will get RF is 200 mm. Is it okay? Is it correct? Check this. So RF is it equal to 200. Now as per Sandolin triangle POQ. So Sandol if you apply OQ upon sin phi is equal to PQ upon sin beta. Just check that. OQ upon sin phi is equal to PQ upon sin beta. So OQ is what? R. So R upon sin phi. What is PQ? RF minus RN is equal to RF minus RN sin beta sin of 180 minus alpha. So R is 50. 50 upon sin phi is equal to 200 minus 10 upon sin of 120. Because 120 means 180 minus 60. So we are getting value of sin pi is 0.2279 and we get value of phi 13.1734. Now maximum velocity in case of follower touches with circular plank. So it is RF minus RB omega sin phi by using that equation. So put the value here RF RB omega sin of phi. So it is Vmax we got 2.291 into 10 raised to 3 mm per second. Then Amax RF minus RB into omega square. So it is 200 minus 40 into 62.83 bracket square. So we are getting Amax equal to 631.65 into 10 raised to 3 mm per second square. If you convert meter per second, so it is 2.291. If you convert meter per second square, it is 631.65. Now maximum retardation of the follower we have seen Amax equal to minus R omega square minus n show the retardation. So it is minus 50 into 62.83 bracket square. So it is coming. Maximum retardation is minus 197.391 into 10 raised to 3 mm per second, or it is minus 197.391 meter per second. So this way we have to solve the problem. Okay, such type of problem can be solved step by step, and definitely you will have the confidence to solve such type of problems. So friends, in the next class we will see the drawing cam profile for various polar motion. Okay, so thank you.